Mase inkomo yengane yami awuyizwe usho ku TV qonde mina lokho ngicela ungaphinde uyisho lonto.
Mama ngifuna ngisho njalo.
Uzobona. Awuyizwe inkomo yakhe.
UMakaThando ukhombisa komalume ukuthi yihlathi.
Khoza lo mgodo wakho ma. Fusek.
Lo mama uyinja ngemumgodo rubbish udoti.
Ngitheni.
Uma nangoke nolaka.
Inqozo nyoko lo wasegana ikhehla msoni kanyoko.
Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, depending on whichever time of the day that you are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you onto this channel. Guys, I haven't posted. I was at my grandmother's funeral, my great-grandmother's funeral over the weekend. So, yeah, it was sad. Yeah, it was sad, shame, I don't want to lie. One of the saddest thing, it's also this thing of having to see her daughter. Her daughter is a very strong woman, I don't want to lie to you. She's a very, very strong woman, and having to see her break down and cry, and it was so touching, I don't want to lie to you. You know that these people who, she's kind, she is, yeah. There are these people who, you just know them as strong people and stuff like that. You know, and you never really expect to go to, you'd ever, I know, they're also human. But then once you start seeing umuntu or strong, or someone that you do kind of look up to, breaking down and crying, and it's very painful. For me it was. And it actually brought me to tears. Yeah, it's sad, you know. But it's not big, I don't want to lie to you. And I'd also like to thank my friends as for accompanying me and stuff like that. And yeah, you know. So yes, I hope I did say good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, depending on whichever time of the day. You know exactly what that means. Yeah, man, I just came across this on Twitter. Now check this out.
Usiyacela uvukile ekseni wathi uzolanda umakoti. Ngamkhuza futhi andisacela umuntu mesehambile kuba akalando. Intatha kusa wahamba ngimbona ngehamba angizwanga futhi uhambile. Sibona usacela engekho ekhaya. Uma ehambile usacela ngifonela umakoti mina ekseni ngithi mina usiyacela ukuthi uzokulanda iqiniso yini lelo makoti ethe usendleni namanje kumanje ngiyagibela ngihamba ngenkandla. Bese sithi siyafona ifone esaba nje umuntu siqhubha isikhathi mase beyafika ke bona manje ekhaya befike bethi imoto isishile.
Ubusuku nje yabona ebusuku.
Uthi bese kukhona phela laba bebecisha.
Yazingane bashathi isinde kanjani? Nayibona umsebenzi amathando bafike. Unjenje
uMakaThando.
uMathando
Wafika uzolanda ingane
Sonto ulanda ingane. Ngolesibili ingane thanda isikhwama iyahamba bese kusho umuntu asiyacela. uMathando lo muntu befuneka ikhokhe nje kuba kuyangami.
uMakaThando nje kukhanya zochaza kahle nje kunjena nje uye
uyalanda unkosikazi eshadile.
Hawu
ngoba uyena ufike enza yonke lento ayibona imoto enganadlama ukishila iphelile uMathando ufune bezochaza ezosichazela ngale moto le. Uma ngizwa kuthiwa imoto asiyacela ishile into yokuqala nje ifike ekhanda lami uMakaThando izinkulumo kaMakaThando edala ukuthi zishise imoto kasiyacela. uMathando yena osichaphazayo.
uMakaThando wakhuluma ngabantu uThando umnakwethu ufuna isichazo ethe umnakwethu ngaliphi ngosiyacela noma ngodlamuka.
wakwamuzwa nje umlingane osho njalo emzini wakwamuzwa nje umuntu onelingane yakhe emzini iganile ingane isebanga ingxabano nomyeni wengane yakhe ukuthi
kubonakala ukuthi angene kadlami kenza isinoma kanjani akasihlonipha kahlonipha
bethu isikhali lo muntu ugwazi usiyacela
yonke lento nje kunjena nje uye siyamdinga abuye azosichazela.
Yini into ezokwenziwa ngemoto engane umishanje usacela samazi sonke uyisoni kodwa hayi ukuthi iqhashazo kanje.
Hayi
Kuzokwenziwa njani? Ihambe ngeenyawo iphinde futhi ibe yiphara. Abantu sebexhaphazile ngoba ixesha abantu basebasameni mathando yasichaphaza la.
Yesami isikhalo nje ngikhala ukuthi hey angisho ukuthi ubaba Dlamuka ngithi ngimthwesa icala. Noma besho kubethi uyena obhedayo onolaka lezinto zenziwa nje ulaka lakhe. Khona izinto siyacela angayilungisi. Ngibonga imphefumulo yabo laba abantu abawufonga ababekho. Ingubo lezi ezishileyo namapasi nakho konke yonke into namafoni ngisho yami ifoni ifelela. Yini kusiyacela ehambe efonelana noThando ukuthi amthole. Kanti ngiyangasi
kodwa noThando unekhanda eqinile njalo singakhuluma sithi msuthu sacela unephupho. uThando uthatha isikhwama uhamba eThekwini. Wabuya uSithando ungakusasa ehamba usuku olodwa. Wabuya waxolela kwaDlamuka wangena walala. Uyaphinda futhi uThando uthatha isikhwama eMantsomini. Uyaphinda futhi sacela uyamlanda imoto enganadlamuka uyasisha ngithi. Into ngabe akenza uThando ungahambanga.
Hayi ungehlulile nje ungehlulile nje yabona siyacela ufile mayenze imoto yakhe ufile kwayena
kade yonza iphathi yengane usuyahamba manje futhi wena into ongaziyenze wathi ngiyahamba nje mamkhulu wathi ngiyahamba
sagwema iphala kulazodaleka sigwema iphala enganeni yaDlamuka ngoba abantu bazi ukuthi ubuntu ingane ingenayo unini ijikibe yiphala kodwa abantu bayakwenza ukuthi ibe yiphala mabezokwenza nje.
Umoya wami nje awubuhlungu kulento engiyibona la. Inyembezi ngizizwa igcwala amehlo ukuthi sonke lesi sikhathi kanti suke sisebenzele emuva ngoba sikhulisa ingane nje sisikhulisela ukuthi nathi sibuke ukuthi abantu esobashiya amadlula kulomhlaba abantu abaphilayo. Women be kunjani? Bayazi lapha unina nisebenza la eMthonjaneni la ngifuna imoto engifuna ungihudu ungithathele yona la ize la ilokhuzane ize iya lapha ekhaya mabedlana lapha kwaDlamuka.
Kusuka kwami la ekhaya ngiyolanda ingane enkandla. Ngithema ngifike enkandla wabe sengene emotweni naye. Sambuza ukuthi uyapha akashongo ukuthi uyaphi. Angidumisa imoto ngangihamba. Thema ngihamba la endleleni la sengivelelwa inkinga imoto esivele yashonqa. Ukusha kwemoto ngezathu sakhe vele. Ngoba kuba wayehlezi la ekhaya ngaba ngiyangiyolanda ingane yami.
Kodwa yena bengeke sahlala nje sahlala nje kusekuseni.
Akulaleke endlini.
Esambeni ngiyobuthanda.
Akaze ngalali lokho.
Akalale yedwa akwathi.
Enganithando uyalala yedwa.
Umfazi phela. Indoda phela kuneniyadala isebenze kahle.
Indezelana.
Ayikwazi ukulala
lapha khona bengazi ukuthi unobani.
Ngiyamcindezela.
Umlande ngoba bengazi ukuthi unobani.
Ngiyamcindezela ngiyavuna nje ngifuna.
Ugabe nje uThando.
Hawu wrong kodwa usaqala kodwa kulokhu Thando wrong.
Labo mama nje bayadlama ubayibhedela nje. Bona nje mina bayibhedela labo mama laba bathi uThando umfazi nje mayiqala egane ekhaya eke waphuma nezikhwama ewashiya ifenisha yakho usekesho ukuthi khona lapha kushoda khona
ukuthi ngingaxasana nomyeni wakho
usehamba
ekhaya uke wabona bani
siyamtshela thina esibadala ukuthi kade sabakhona la zikhona izinkinga zenzeka umfazi futhi uyashawa akazi uhambe
phela nina ngikhulisa ukuthi
akaze nje
sisestage
kunene
kunyiswa ithembu phela nina kunyiswa ithembu nini ukuthi uhlala ibande zakhe ingubo wavela usuku umkhoyane kuleyo yana loba babili laba lo mayigudluka uzosala egodola lo bafeva le yabi ingane yomfana abayikhulumi lento yalesi sigameko ukuthi uThando ubekuphi imoto yona ihamba le moto nje iyomlanda nje uThando uhamba ikuphi le moto akekho ufika nalombono la ngabona ukuthi Nkosi yami zibuye ziseke sike inseka zokuthi ingane kaMkhonyana wazo la wabo la ngeke beyilahle vele kumakoti ke emzini ke ngokwazi kwami ke uyayelahlwe ngecala ngisho isidingo nje singekho nje
yabona ke manje sefuneka egane
usacela ilungelo lakhe noma engagana ilungelo lakhe ake sikuyisa uMathando ezoseyisa thina ake sikuyesedelela nje
uMamkhize ke uyambona uma kaThando akanandaba noThando
wenza ukuthi akamkhulisa kwamkhulisa ngabe unayo indaba naye
lento ayenzayo
ikhombisa ukuthi akanandaba kodwa kuThando uyamondla
ingane yakho
mondlela ngishikubo uThando uyamondla
wazi utshwala nje uma kaThando ngane yakwethu akazi lutho
Imigomo yababudlamuka wathi umfazi ohamba la ekhaya uyofa ngisho ukufa. Ngicabanga ukuthi uThando ubonile ukuthi uhamba kwakhe eMansomini ubuye wangabuya kaDlamuka ubuye sekushiya imoto kaDlamuka isifile. Ngicabanga ukuthi uThando iphutha lakho libonile uhamba kuye eMansomini ukuthi ngenyilanga ngoba kushiya imoto ngenyilanga neke isasha imoto sekofaye noqobo lwakhe.
Sekuzokwenziwa kanjani manje? Ngapha besilindele okukhulu thina ngale moto. Uma ngabe isishile, asazi manje ukuthi sekufanele kwenze njani. Lento eyenzakalayo ngempela isuke laphi? Isuke laphi ngempela lento eyenzakalayo?
You can go like this, but the guy said the hand tie. You ask the guy, the pet for Gadi
schools or something.
Kishin kero ke blow.
La.
Siyokwenza lapho.
Another stuff yet there buy.
Awukune script yakhe. Yasazi. Turas.
Can you show us? You see, Cash and Kali. This road go like this.
Yeah.
You consider red containers there. Ask the guys. I can show you.
Imoto iqala ukushisha ngaphansi. Ithema isuka isiqhuma ethangweni petrol ngemuva. La kwakuhlezi khona uThando ngemuva makalubanzi. Ayisiqhuma lapho. Sasiqhubeka nendlela sasibatshela abafika emva kwendaba ukuthi kwenzale nabomgwaqo bathi hayi asishiye imoto bazosala beyigada.
Alright.
Njengoba sesisicrap yada ngimazi ukuthi unene usukeleni waphapha wazoqina wasuka walanda imoto. Ngoba uyathanda ukuqhamukela endaweni engahlangene.
Yeah, man. I had to watch the entire episode. It took place this weekend, past weekend, on the 28th. Yeah. So it's all actually. Yeah. So because I wanted to get the whole thing, the whole background of what happened. For yes, the car did burn, and yeah, I wrote a few pointers down, things that just stood out for me that were kind of like, what the F is going on. So firstly, it started with the birthday party, of which at that birthday the party was for the kid, Ngania, Sekela and Uthando, and it was at the church. Apparently there's also this other video of Sekela where he was saying Uguti he wanted to change the church into a Shabin because now they no longer have a huge I wouldn't say following, but number of people attending the church. He said they only had 5, so he was thinking of changing the church into a Shabin and stuff like that. So yeah, I saw that. And then shooting as the party was still taking place, Thando's mom came. Honestly speaking, my mom was also a person who loved alcohol, and I do believe she had a drinking problem. Uthando's mom kind of like reminded me of my mom when she might say Pozile and stuff. Thando was just talking to her mom and stuff like that, and she was also even asking her to they first started with she was like, yo, did you drink? And then the mom was like, no, I didn't drink and stuff like that. So that on its own for me, it kind of took me back. The reason why Uthando kind of like was busy asking her mom if did she drink or not, it's because I think she knows the type of person her mom is when she's drunk. You understand? I remember Nami, there were times where imakhona imicimbi emzini abantu and stuff like that, and if my mom would come, would also attend that imicimbi or whatever, I'd also be on the edge of my seat and be ready to leave, because if she's been drinking, she'll end up doing things or fighting or arguing with someone and stuff like that. You understand, of which that's the same thing that happened with Tando's mom. And the more you tell our moms to lower their voices, not fight, is the louder they get. It's more or less like ngathi siyababanga sifuna ukuthi bebanga umsindo vele kakhulu, you know. So yeah, so Siyacela also went outside and saw Tando's mom, and then that's when everything just escalated and it turned into an atomic bomb. Because Tando's mom she said she was not drunk, she was not drinking, and stuff like that, but yeah. And then Siyacela also when he got there, joined them, that's when Tando's mom got angry at the fact that Siyacela Shuti on one of the episodes, Siyacela once said something allegedly along the lines of Tando not being enough in bed, or not being able to satisfy him. Yeah, so the mother was angry because of that, of what he said on national TV or television, because she said something that Abu Malume, the uncles and everyone at home on Tando's side, they are angry at Siyacela for saying that. If he wanted to say something like that, he was supposed to say it. Truth be told, I'm not a person who watches this show, but I'm kind of feeling like I should start watching this show. Hey, drama English show. Zeus Network has nothing on this show. With all their shows they have, nothing on this show alone. Ziyakalala on the show. 2 seconds in the episode already says Ziakala. They're fighting. You understand? They are fighting. Like, yo. So, yeah, so Siyacela also got angry to a point that he even started kind of like putting it out there that Tando's mom is also a person who sleeps around, and another thing, she also has her kids are crayons. Like each and every child has their own father or dad. She's a person who sleeps around and stuff like that. Do I think it was appropriate watching this show? It really does not matter, because Siyacela, honestly speaking, what I've seen, he does not have a filter, and he does not give a rat's SNJ about anything. I understand, except himself or what he wants. That's what I've seen. Each and every time I've seen a short clip of the show and stuff like that. So so yeah, so to him it really does not matter. Yeah, so then now the following day, I presume, because the next scene was when the wives, Siyacela's father's wives, were approaching that car, as you saw in that clip. That was when that clip took place. What happened was Siyacela, Tando left because she said that she left because him and Siyacela had an argument. They fought, and then she revealed this when they're at the scrapyard. They fought, and then over the phone, and Siyacela was like, I'm going to take this phone and sell it, and then come back and I'll go and drink and come back and swear at you or whatever. And then Tando was like, she was like, no, I'm not going to be here for that. I'm going to my mom's place and stuff like that. And then that's when she left, apparently. So now Siyacela, after watching the whole episode, the reason that made him to go and fetch Utando was because he wanted ingane yakhe. But you know what, kind of like raised an alarm game was when he said a thought did cross his mind where he felt like locking Utando inside the car. So I take it when that happened, or when that thought crossed his mind, was when the car was burning. My question is, why would you want to still be with the person who, this person, a person who wishes or who has such thoughts, that person doesn't really love you? Can you even imagine what that person can do to you? Why would you even want to be with a person like that? Already that relationship is beyond toxic. Beyond. And another thing, these fucked up Makotis, they were also saying, good, you know, Uthando was wrong for leaving. This is all her fault. Actually, her mom's fault. This was not going to happen if her mom did not come there. Do I think it was the mother's fault and stuff like that? I wouldn't really say I'm done. Because he doesn't even seem like a person. You know, the only thing he thinks about into is jabulisa manje. He seems like that kind of a person. Into jabulisa manje and into ayifunayo. And even with that, Uthando did say something along the lines of Guti. It's either we do it, and before, when they were still fighting before she left, we either do it his way, the hard way, or no way, the easy way or the hard way. You understand? So in other words, that is a person even that guy, I don't know if that's his uncle or what, but he even said Usekdal doesn't know umuntu. He does not know umuntu. You understand? He just does not give a rat's ass about another person except himself. You know, and now my good because laba, they just indoda ayithethiswa, indoda ayenziwe ukuthi, indoda ayenziwe ukuthi. Yes, Uthando, I can say, yeah, right ngalokho ukuthi when she's fed up she goes home and stuff like that, but until when is she going to be doing this back and forth? Until then, because even one of the Makoti said that the father Ngati once said, Guti, there's no wife who will leave this house. Whoever leaves this house will die or something will happen to them, but something very horrible. Then that Makoti even said that this was also a sign that Uthando was not supposed to leave. Do I feel like this was also a warning for Usekela or something like that? I can say maybe from his father. I think I can say that. I think I can say that. And it kind of gives some vibes of Guti. The father worked hard for everything, and now he's going to take all of his things because he sees Usekela is a no-no. Labo mama saying Uguti banesibindi. Sometimes the people, guys, it's very important. We must also evaluate the advice and the people that we look up to and listen to. The fact that Uthando was supposed to stay, she was not supposed to go. Umakoti, even if a man hits you, you're not supposed to go and stuff like that. You are born and she's not going to they now being in a situation like that is not good, it's not right. They also don't like that kind of situation. But some, when they even get to that point, they even end up accepting, just as they are saying, if indoda ayiko, when as a wife you must stay at home. But with them, I think I can say I kind of understand, because back then, now it's a new age. Buffet. Yes, you can. Your mother or father can tell you, "Good, no, Makoti must do this and must do that." Now, you as an adult, you're supposed to sit down and decide, am I going to do this or not? Is this going to be right for me or not? Because at the end of the day, you are the one who's going to be going through everything in turmoil. You. That's why abanye abantu, they end up in long-term relationships being happy. It's because of also our parents. Not only just the people that we are dating or married to, who are miserable, even our parents. The pressure. You understand? And it's even worse for a woman. Because for umuntu's father, you'll even be told, sukunenhlanhla osuku ubusisiwe ukuthi uthola umshado awusekho kule insuku zanamhlanje. Ezinye izinto lo mshado uyabheda. Akumshado toxic njengalo. Lo akumshado toxic njengalo. And the fact ukuthi uSiyacela can even say ukuthi the thought crossed his mind yokuthi locking Thando in the car. That person can yes, that's a red flag. Food is not a red flag. Red flags. That's too much. Truly, in other words, this person also wishes death over you. Nangazi guys ukuthi why nifuna ukuba kuma relationship kangaka. I don't know. So and then there was that part where they said that uSiyacela does not hit Uthando, but Jan, because when uSiyacela is drunk and they were telling Uthando, those foolish women were telling Uthando that she was just supposed to relax because uSiyacela doesn't lay a hand on her. But wasn't there a clip or a time where uSiyacela, it was put out there that he does lay his hand on Uthando? Labo mama nje ba promote uDoti. Bayazi uSiyacela ukuthi wrong. Even Uthando is even saying the same thing. These women, they do not reprimand uSiyacela. They do not reprimand uSiyacela when he's wrong. And uSiyacela futhi ke akabezwa ke. Ubatshela isikebe no. Makhuluma ngesikhathi esikhalayo. Isikasiyacela lapha. You know, it even goes back to this thing. I mean, I feel like as abazali, as parents, another thing that we must refrain from doing is this thing of when you know that your child is doing something wrong, and then you end up being like, ooh, you know, my child doesn't take nonsense. My child is this. If your child is wrong, they are wrong. Don't promote his intents wrong, guys. Fana umuntu khona nomunye owasho athi mina yami indoda lapho umuntu usendele indoda imali. This other friend of mine once sent money to his boyfriend. The boyfriend did not even send a police call to say thank you, nothing. And then this friend was like, my man has pride. My man has pride. How is that something? How can you flex ngentenjani? How do you flex ngompetho? The problem is that you'll do these things in front of these kids. Then these kids or these people end up, or they grow up with the mentality of, yeah, this is right. I have to do this. You understand? They grow up with kanjalo. Even this thing with indoda ayixolisi, I don't believe in that nonsense. I just do not believe in all of that. But I take it to each its own. Everyone, I don't want to lie to you. Even ulentuzana uthando, another thing that is also a red flag. Abuse le esikhona la. It's not only just kuthando. It is also affecting the kid. Because Uthando said something about the kid one time was asking her, did uSiyacela hit you? What will happen to this kid now? Sure, this child has witnessed a lot of things. Physical abuse. And these labo mama, they're just trying to bury it in the sand, or their heads in the sand, and pretend as if nothing is happening. I'm sure even when something is happening, whatever, they don't even go there and bayobakhuza. They don't. They kind of give ama vibes ukuthi no, indaba zabantu abashadile ayingena. Emshadweni kunje. Emshadweni kuyabekezela. Until when? Guys, shooting in you're going to die for umshado. Yo. Another thing, even indoda engakwazi ukukhuluma isigesi. No. If you tell up, it's very slim. How many men do you know who do not know how to speak English and they are very successful? But few. Bakhona, but they are few. Another thing you must also look at, if you tell umfana, a decision that your partner makes or takes. Another thing, how are you in a relationship with someone who does not even want to listen to you? Kanjani? How to do it? Because my last time I checked, it was more or less like into we don't try this at home. Ni try everywhere you're going to MTN man. Guys, you need to have vibes for yourselves. You'll need to have vibes for yourselves. Understanding in. Why not stand Ganje? Tando is young. She's supposed to be building a proper future for herself. She sees how her mother is. She needs to get her ducks in the row and leave this guy. You know? Even this thing of her, she even said, she's always crying. She's always crying. No, she likes it. Do I feel sorry for what happened to Sekta? No. No. This guy needs to learn. He needs to be taught a lesson. Life needs to humble him. It needs to humble him, Jay. On a serious note. Tana, do I feel sorry for her? No. No. Should you know I'll guys, I'm going to born into right now wrong. Taking it was saras and already. And boni na. So I feel so for everyone who's going through this and is still in that relationship, Jay, and for the sake of guys. Or if you have your own things. Push. Chat is not everything. Start. Yes, someone else will say, no, man, I won't understand. I'm a man in. Chat is just not everything, guys. Especially when you're in a situation like this. And your partner is even there having thoughts of locking you in a burning car. He did not say it's a burning car, but I'm just assuming I'm going to see what did he mean, mention Jad. Guys, you need to love yourselves. No one will love you the way that you are supposed to be loved. Love yourselves. So yeah, tell me what you think about this whole thing. I am going to start watching this show, Shem. It's more or less like watching two people throwing their lives away. I'm not a fan of that, but I was thinking to say Ketel and that. Just get the ends but we are old enough. So yeah, man. Thanks.